Dude, this is fucking weak.
What's up?
What's up?
So, just backing out of the shop. $3,400 later. We got new steer tires, all new brakes all the way around, all new shocks, an alignment, a PM, an annual. What else?
I think that was it.
See how these new brakes feel.
Yeah.
But oh, an alignment, tires balanced, all that stuff.
Yeah. See if this thing runs, feels so much better. Go run and put 50 or so miles on it and come back and get it retorqued.
Yeah, we're going to run around today and tomorrow, get some miles on it, come back, do a retorque. Very nice. Very nice. I like the vision. Kick me on some personal conveyance here. Sorry, it's requiring load info.
Oh, yeah.
There we go. Change, personal conveyance, bobtail, personal use. Ever since they did the ELD update, this thing's just been glitching and going all slow.
Oh, yeah. Was Steve saying his is...
Steve was saying the same thing too, a guy we know. Pilgrim.
Pilgrim on the move.
Yeah, he was saying he's been having problems with his ELD now too.
Yeah, or sometimes it'll like kick us out of the sleeper and put us on duty and shit.
Yeah. Alright.
Does some weird stuff.
2 new steer tires, all new brakes,
Shocks, alignment.
Already feels a lot more solid.
Yeah, it does.
A lot softer.
Oh yeah, a lot smoother. Did you just get like standard shocks, or did you get like upgraded ones, or
Just
whatever?
Just regular. I got Monroe's on the front, I think Gilbert's on the back. They get it done.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, way smoother.
Oh yeah, this is normally we
This
all
would have been, we would have been losing teeth right now usually. Yeah, that's way smoother.
Just think how much better it is on the truck not having all that slammage. The shocks must have been totally out, man.
I think they might have been the OG shocks on this truck.
Yeah, because this is just... It's amazing! It really is. It feels like a new truck.
Night and day, yeah.
I mean, it feels like if you jumped into a brand new truck right now. And what Bobtail said.
Yeah, it's super smooth. Yeah, usually bobtail right now, we're bouncing in the air. So yeah, this is... Hi, dogs.
Hi,
Right
dogs.
over there at the hotel.
Hi, dogs.
Back in a bit. Oh yeah, world of difference.
Yeah.
This just became a new truck, man.
Yeah. Woo! This is exciting.
Oh my god.
It does. It feels really good.
That feels real smooth. I gotta admit, I'm happy. Look at that. No more pulling to the right a little bit. Everything's aligned. He says, good thing we got the alignment too. One of the right side was a little bit off.
Yeah, he'd only give us credit for one tire because the other one was all.
No, he gives us both.
Did he? Oh.
He gives us $30 for each tire,
Oh.
which no big deal. It's just because
Yeah.
they're not below the line of where they can be recapped. So. Even though they were tore up.
Yeah.
Well, you want to go St. Louis or Memphis?
St. Louis. They got better ribs.
We going to St. Louis.
No, I know. Just in that general direction for a minute. Wow, this is like so super smooth, man.
Yeah.
Imagine if we would have got new rubber on the back too.
The rubber on the back's still good.
Yeah, but I mean, like, you know, if it was new like the front, like just new all the way around. It's just crazy.
Super smooth, man.
Yeah.
So all in with the new tires was just about $3,400.
That's not bad. You got a lot of stuff done.
No, and the Petro here, they're real nice guys and did good work, it looked like. And
We almost had to replace the kingpins and on the front steering arm. They thought they were loose, but then they weren't. So I don't know.
they tightened everything up and everything's cool. It's all good.
Yep.
It's all good in the hood. Anyway, yeah, good test drive.
Yep.
Everything's good. Got some good work done on the truck.
Yeah.
Much smoother ride now. Very nice.
Yeah, all this would have been
That would have been getting all banged around right now.
Wow.
Super smooth. All right, good times.
Yep. So I guess out?
For now.
All right. Out.
All right. So right next door to the Petro in Effingham. We're here at the Baymont. Yay.
Well, that'd be a good picture down here.
Oh yeah, I never brought it up. What?
Good picture. Go against them. Petrol's
All right, come on over here. Let's do a picture real quick.
truck.
There you go. So, anyway, so we got the truck worked on.
More about me. Just so, go ahead. We got the truck worked on.
God. Arrogant. Where'd that ego come from? Give the. Yeah, I was gonna mention though, we did put some of these deer whistles on here.
I was just gonna say, did we talk about those before? Matt?
Nope. Put them on each side of the hood though. And you did have a bull elk standing in the road one day, right?
Yeah.
Sorry, it's super noisy out here. This is non-stop trucks.
Yeah, we're right on the 70.
Yeah, right on the 70, so it's trucks everywhere. So anyway, yeah, got the deer whistles.
But we're going along and it turned around and ran away all fast.
Yeah, you skidded off the road real fast, so I gotta consider it's probably worked.
Yeah. Out of the 4 deer, 3 of them turned and ran.
Come on. Always got to open it from this side. It sticks. Oh, yeah, baby. Oops. So, you can see we got new steer tires. Michelin, X-Lines. Michelin's the best. I always buy Michelin. That's all I ever get.
Yeah.
I mean, BF Goodrich, Bridgestone, Firestone, they're all okay too. But, it's the true thing, I've said it before, I'll say it again. Michelin is usually the standard by which all other tire manufacturers build their tires upon. So, Michelin is cutting edge.
Yeah. We got what? 250,000 miles out of the last one.
We got 250,000 miles out of our last set of steers. That is nothing to shake a stick at. So anyway, yeah, we got new brakes put on, new steers, got a full alignment done. What else?
All brakes,
All the brakes, all the shocks. Yeah, we got new Monroe shocks on here. Why is the light not coming on? I thought I put that thing on there. God. There we go. So new shocks, cool. Let's go around the other side here. Let's head towards the rear. Like I said, we got a full alignment. New shocks on the rear. See down here, all new brakes. Greased up, ready to go, full PM done on it. All new filters, everything. See down there though, nice new brakes. Very nice. New brakes, nice. You see the super singles, still got plenty of meat left on them. Good. New shock, nice. Ooh, Magnum. Does that get you all hot?
Yeah, driving down the road, it was freaking fantastical.
Yeah, the difference in the ride was just night and day, which I pretty well felt that was going to happen as soon as I put new shocks on and everything. Yeah, alignment is running real straight, much softer ride in the front too, you know, just having the shocks done, the alignment. New tires always help with that too. You can see here, new brakes, nice.
Has a fuel line in there.
Huh?
Oh, the fuel is not.
Yeah, fuel filter. And put in a new filter. Good. Yeah, because the other one was all mucked up.
Yeah.
Yeah, new. Good. Should be new. If it wasn't new, I'd be pissed.
Yeah.
Yeah, level's good. Good to go. So yeah, we're just happy we got some new tires. Yeah, these things were pretty much done. If you ever look at
Yeah, they were at
this
230
arrow
seconds.
right here, yeah, they're down to 230 seconds. It was right down on the arrow line there, which is usually a pretty good indicator that your tires are done. So, but yeah, we got just about 250,000 miles out of those tires. So it was good, because those were the first tires we replaced on this truck just after we first got it. So we got it washed after going through all the snow and everything. So
Looks all nice in there
yeah.
now.
We just got another annual done on it. You can see here. Here's our annual we had November of last year when we were switching over to Traveloco. So we just got a new one done. So I'll say you.
Yeah.
All good?
Yeah. I thought you were gonna put the new annual on top of this one because this one was the 120-day check one.
It don't matter. It ain't gonna matter. We're gonna send this one in. It'll count for another 120 to Landstar, even though it's a annual. We still got to do.
I know, but when
we got to do a Landstar inspection every 120 days, so it really doesn't matter.
Is it an annual every time?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, the Landstar inspection is getting a DOT inspection every time,
Oh.
but they just do it every 120 days, so you got to get it 3 times a year.
Gotcha. So this
Yeah.
one can come off.
It don't matter. Just leave it there. We'll look like one of those hippie cars going down the road with a million bumper stickers on the back.
I don't want it to. That's ugly. I don't
Kidding.
want that name on my truck anymore.
You don't want anything to do with Traveloco?
No.
Hey, it's kind of like that crazy relationship you had a few years ago, you know, and he tried to stab you or something like that, you know. It's like, always remember, you know, leave it there.
No.
Always remember.
No, erase that shit. Forget about it.
Yeah, hell no.
We're
So
gonna give them infamous status.
you can still see
From the
plate
deer.
from the deer, damage from the deer. I gotta take that tape off.
My handiwork.
I tried to tape it. It didn't work out. Just tried to. It was just busted. It keeps popping out. You can't do anything with it. So maybe if we go get a bull guard on the truck, it'll just take that bumper off, and we'll just. You can see this thing's getting all weathered. Paint's coming off.
Yeah, we need to get a bull guard. Seriously, we're just gonna keep this thing.
Yeah, if we're gonna keep this truck running for a while, probably just go get even a lightweight deer guard on it.
Yeah. I thought, that, we should probably just, just make this thing nice instead of going and spending
$1 million
$80,000 again. Or $180,000, depending on what we buy.
Go ahead, latch it up. See your skills. Don't get your fingers caught. at you. So good times. So we're just in the room. You can see the doors open right over there. Actually a nice hotel. Being right next door to the Petro too is cool.
Yeah, and then they got their own truck parking. You just have to register it.
Yeah. You can see Gordo sitting there in the door.
They got new toys.
Yeah, we just bought a new chew toy, so they're all happy. What's up, boy? What are you doing? Oi, what's up? What's up?
What are you doing in here? Are you getting in trouble? You doing things you shouldn't?
What are you doing? Butt punch. Butt punch.
I like my butt punches.
All right, so good times.
Yeah.
Truck's done. Gonna take off in the morning.
Yeah.
Go back up to Arcola.
Arcola.
So we can pick up our load on Friday.
Arcola.
You're a dork.
Yeah. I know it's supposed to be Ricola, but you know, whatever.
Hey, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna make it funny.
What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do?
Hey.
The hell?
Yeah, I don't know. I'm being less shy because who cares,
All right.
right?
Right. Butt punch. Butt punch. Butt punch. Butt punch. All right.
All right.
It's a new thing.
Right?
New thing, right?
Right?
All right.
Sounds good to me. Out.
With turquoise and real diamonds.
Ha ha ha!